Did you know that 90% of buyers make a decision about a home within the first few minutes? That's right. When it comes to real estate, first impressions are everything. A clean, well-presented home can mean the difference between a quick sale and a property that lingers on the market. Enter TidyTex Home Cleaning, your go-to solution for making homes sparkle. As a proud veteran-owned business in San Antonio, we specialize in helping realtors prepare properties for sale. Whether it's a last-minute showing or an open house, our reliable team provides top-notch cleaning services that ensure your listings shine like never before. Imagine walking into a home where every surface gleams, the air smells fresh, and the ambiance is inviting. This is the transformation we bring to the table. Plus, here's a valuable tidy tip for realtors. Open all blinds and turn on lights before showings. It brightens any space and highlights the home's best features, making it feel more welcoming. Ready to elevate your property's appeal and close deals faster? Contact us for quick turnarounds and exceptional service. Check the video description for more details and contact us today.